Alright guys, this is a walkthrough before you even think about flying the SHiFT drone. So if you guys just purchased this or you're interested on it, this is what you need to do first. Before you do anything, you need to go ahead and read all this before you go get into your Wi-Fi. As soon as you go to your Wi-Fi, what you want to do is the code for the Wi-Fi is 12345678910. Okay, so that's about it. So if you want to go ahead, you better make sure that if you're gonna put the propellers, you want to make sure you always start it from the motor all the way up from the top and go all the way down to the bottom. And the same thing on the other side, so you will not break your motor arms or hurt any one of the, I would say. So second of all, when you're done doing that, the most important thing you need to do is you need to do calibrate your bottom position sensing. Okay, that's what you need to do. You need to go ahead and turn it on, go in this app, go in the back, and it's going to show you in the settings how to do this. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys exactly what you need to do. You got to do this right, because if you don't do this, you're gonna, the drone, the SHiFT drone is going to be shifting left and right, and you don't want to do you don't want that to happen. So you want the sensors to work right properly, especially flying indoor or outdoor, especially in the windy days. And now you guys can do this, and you're about to set, and you go ahead and start flying your SHiFT drones. And I would say, and you're ready to go. That's about it. Again, I was just want to say thank you for tuning to my channel. Subscribe, like, and share, and hopefully this video, quick tips, and help you guys out how to connect this SHiFT drones and how before you even think about flying it, and go from here.